Maybe it was helping me to vomit or something.
It's your DNA. Your DNA is food oriented.
No, I think it's helped me to vomit. This is Cologne. That's H10. That's our hotel. Do we have to go up here?
Yes.
Or up?
You can go up or stay down. And
Under
go.
the tunnels.
Yeah. Would you like to stay under the tunnel? No, maybe this way. It's better.
I'll check the house. We don't need to go back to that hospital.
What?
We don't need to go
No, you will have to climb.
back to that hospital. But watch out for cars. We don't need to go back to that hospital.
You can cross, but there's no crossing for pedestrians there. These are the popular bars of Scotland. You see where you were going? If we had continued on the foot, you would have seen that. There's a crossing there. A lot of passion going on. Those games. So, we walk. We'll take the taxi roads. If we stick to the right side, that's Leonardo's place. Gives you away.
Very good, very nice.
I think is a good idea because it gives a kind of film for the eat. I must have lost a few kilos for sure last night.
Well, at least you skipped the breakfast.
Yeah, but the whole paella.
You can go down here or
steps.
the car side.
Yeah, let's see. The paella and the chicken soup never was digested. Okay. I need to be on the right side.
Yeah, you follow. Pilates. We can have a Pilates studio here. Maybe they will open it one day. Yeah, well, we are there. The winds. Yeah. The wind takes you in.